In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the lunar calendar to your Google Calendar to show lunar or moon phases. It's a handy way to stay in tune with the rhythms of the moon, which can be particularly useful if you're interested in astrology, gardening, fishing, or if you just want a bit of extra celestial knowledge in your daily life. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Google Calendar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do that because you'll need access to personalize your calendar settings. Once you're on your calendar page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Then select settings from the drop down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings to better fit your needs. On this settings page, find the section labeled Add Calendar. Under this, you'll see an option called Browse Calendars of Interest. Click on that link and you'll be brought to a list of various calendars that you can add to your own. This is where you can find a diverse range of calendars, from holidays in different countries to sports events and, of course, the lunar phases. Now scroll through this list until you see Phases of the Moon. Once you find it, you're almost there. Next to Phases of the Moon, you'll see a checkbox. Simply check that box and just like that, you've subscribed to the lunar calendar. You should now start seeing all the moon phases appear in your calendar view. Adding the lunar calendar is straightforward but adds a valuable layer to your personal schedule. Seeing these celestial events alongside your day-to-day appointments might serve as a reminder of the broader universe we live in. Remember, this can be particularly useful for those who follow the lunar cycle for personal or professional reasons. Whether you're trying to catch the next new moon for a meditation session or keeping track of the full moon for an evening event, this feature will definitely come in handy. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated the lunar phases into your Google Calendar. This customization will continuously update, reflecting the changes in the moon's phases as time progresses. It's a small addition, but one that can bring a bit of cosmic awareness to your everyday hustle and bustle. Enjoy staying in sync with the moon and feel free to explore other calendar options to further enhance your Google Calendar experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.